me on the corner. Swear you hit me like a vision. I wasn't expecting, but who am I to tell fate where it's supposed to go with it? Don't you blink, you might miss it. See, we got a right to just love it or leave it. You find it and keep it, cause it ain't every day you get the chance to say, oh, this is how it starts. Lightning strikes the heart. It goes off like a gun, brighter than the sun. Oh, we could be stars, falling from the sky, shining how we want, brighter than the sun. I've never seen it, but I found this love, I'm gonna feed it.
Ayah dan ibunda yang Ananda cintai dan hormati, pada kesempatan yang baik ini, Ananda mohon doa restunya agar Ananda dapat mendayung bahtera rumah tangga ini dengan penuh kebahagiaan. Dan doakanlah Ananda semoga Ananda dapat membangun rumah tangga yang sakinah, mawaddah dan warohmah.
Saya terima nikahnya dan kawinnya Nisha Asifah Rahma binti Bapak Idiana dengan mas kawinnya yang disebut tunai.
Fresh cut grass, one cold